This might be my last time buying from Union website. Hit the B-roll. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate it, man. And today, not one, but two of the Union Jordan JKOs, AKOs are in hand. I should be happy, but I purchased these February 2nd from Union Los Angeles website, and they just came today. And they charged me $15 shipping for both. I know some of y'all out there got the same gripe I got, man. No, you're not alone. You charged me $15 for both, so that's $30. I think the sneakers retail at $150, so that's $330 to get a sneaker almost 30 days after purchase. Either way, they're here. The leather and the canvas. I can't even tell these things apart, guys. But we're going to start with the ones that's a little more popular. That's these, the leather joints. People really weren't feeling the canvas one, but if you look now at the prices, the leather ones are maybe like $30 over retail, and the canvas ones is fighting with retail. So either or, both sneakers are affordable, which I commend. I like that. But ever since I missed out on the first Union ones, I've been copping every Union since to try to get that feeling, man. I'm still going to get them Jordan 1s, but it's outpricing me. I'm not going to lie. You're looking at like $1,800 to $2,500 and 10.5. But maybe I'll get them one day. But today we're going to do the review on the leather joints. And then I'll do the review on the canvas joints later in the day, hopefully. But I got Arm Armaniers. I got a whole bunch of stuff coming. So we're going to get into this review, but you know we do have Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. Y'all see I'm all liquored out. So today I got on my Jordan 1 LA to Chicago SBs. These were SBs. Yeah, but of course y'all could tell one of my favorite pairs of sneakers because I'm a Laker fan and matches with everything Lakers. Even though the red is starting to creep in a little bit, as you can see. But I try not to wear them too much for that not to happen. That's why I got court purples and other sneakers to match with my Laker gear. But that's what I got on foot today. In the comment section below, when you catch this video, right down there, it takes 2 seconds. Let me know what you got on foot. And let's unbox these. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. Now, one thing I could say, right? Presentation on Union is always dope, man. So you get that nice, thick Cuban Jordan piece on the box. The back of the box got all the bells and whistles. Then you got Union here that actually reflects and glow. So presentation A1. I know I sound bitter in the beginning of the video, but presentation is A1, man. Even when you flip open the box, you get all that regular paper, but then you get the dope paper also with the same chain, the Union logo with the Jordan Jumpman inside. So very, very dope far as presentation. And let's start with the side that has the swooshes that you can interchange on it. Boom. And here's a 360 view of the AJ1 KO Union leather joints. That's the only way we could really tell them apart. You gotta say leather, man. So let's start with the leather. The toe box is buttery soft, guys. Buttery soft. I gotta give them all the props for the buttery soft toe box. Around it, the suede is super dope too. I do have a glue stain there, guys, but the suede is super dope. One of my real highlights of the whole sneaker, besides this that we'll get to, is the aged sole. The mousseline really pops here. From the bottom, from the top to the bottom. That aged sail, off-white, mousseline, so many names for this color. I love the aged look here. It really pops. Now let's get to the obvious, the interchangeable swooshes. It comes in a nice, I mean nice suede swoosh. Blue, navy blue. But you can pop that off and under it, look, you see the Union LA logo design in the back. You could just rock it like this. It will look like a regular Air Force One, white Air Force One, but that looks dope. I will go that way. Let me know in the comment section. But it comes with blue, and it also comes with green. The green is suede also. But getting back to the overall shoe, Union staple, this like little wiggly line here, making it look like something is being like sold together. It was real popular on the fours. Real popular on the fours. Right here, we know nothing's being sold together because it's just the same material here. The fours will look more complete, more like something sold together. You also get that on the tongue. Again, nothing's being put together, but this dope, and it's a Union Jordan collab staple, so I rock with it. The back here got your big Jordan 1 wing with UNLA logo at the top, and it looks like it can flip up, even though it can't. It might, but it's real tight, guys. But I like that look. The inside has like a sand cork color looking material there, but it's soft to touch. Big Jordan Jumpman logo in the inside. Now I kind of get why people made a big fuss about the leather over the canvas, because this is premium leather, guys. Y'all see the tumbleness all through it. So I get why the leather's being talked about a lot. Getting back to the tongue, you got that off-white look where the cushion is out of the tongue. Very dope. Shout out to Virgil Abloh. Every video I get a chance to say it, I'm going to say it. And it finishes off with a gray or silver, if you may, and white tag on the tongue. Yes, sir. So let me know in the comment section below, was you able to cop? Again, like I said in the beginning of the video, prices is right around retail for this sneaker. So if you want to secure it now, because you know how Union sneakers is. I remember that Dunk pack came out, the Passport pack. Things were sitting right at retail. Price is a little bit high now on that sneaker. I like these, man. In another video, I'm going to do the canvas joint, compare them together, and really figure out what's the big difference besides just the leather. You know what I mean? I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.